Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to smooth sharp edges of polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So for example, I have this polygon, and if I zoom in, you can see these individual polygons. You can see how the edges look like. They are very sharp, and if you want to smooth it, the essence of smoothing it is to increase the cartographic and aesthetic view of each of the polygon. So if you want to do that, let me show you how to do that in ArcGIS Pro. So to do that is quite simple. Come to Analysis and click on Tools. Depending on the version of ArcGIS Pro you are using, it's either you come to Analysis or you come to View. If you come to View, you can see the options here called Geoprocessing. But if you come to Analysis, you see this option called Tools, which if you click on it, it will open Geoprocessing tool. So if I click on it, it will open Geoprocessing tool. So under Geoprocessing tool, search for Smooth Polygon. You can see the Smooth Polygon under Cartography tools. Click on it. So the Smooth Polygon tool, it helps to smooth sharp edges in polygon outline to improve aesthetic or cartographic quality. And we have two types of algorithm. We have the polynomial, which is called PIC. It's an abbreviation, which is polynomial approximation with exponential kernel. And we also have Bezier interpolation. So these two types of algorithm exist, which you can use to smooth the edges of your polygon. And to do that, the first thing is to input the parameters. So the input feature, click on the drop down and select your polygon, that in this case sharp polygon. Then the output feature, so navigate to your working folder. So let me save it as Smooth Polygon 2 and click on OK. Then here, smoothing algorithm. If I click on the drop down, you can see we have polynomial approximation with exponential kernel, PIC, and we have Bezier interpolations. So let's go with Bezier interpolations. And the handling topological error, you can choose any of these options. Do not check for topological error, check and flag topological error, or you can choose resolve topological errors. So let's go with the default. Then after that, click on run. So it will start the process. The time taken depends on the extent of your polygon, how big it is. So it may take several minutes if you are dealing with larger area. So the smooth polygon process is completed. So I can close this page. So you can see the difference. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me uncheck the smooth polygon. This was the initial polygon which has sharp edges. And after smoothing, you can see the difference. You can see the difference between the sharp polygon and the smooth polygon. Here is the smooth polygon and here is the sharp polygon. So this helps to increase the aesthetic or cartographic quality of your polygon. You can see the difference. You can see it. And the next thing we can do, we can change the symbology. And to do that, right click this layer and click on symbology. When the symbology opens, instead of single symbol, let's use graduated. So you can see it. You can see how it looks like. So here is the smooth polygon, and if I uncheck it, you can see the sharp polygon, and here is the smooth polygon. So you can see that it increases the cartographic quality of this polygon. So in essence, this is how to smooth the edges of your polygon in ArcGIS Pro. If you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.